You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now, and you're not so big. Life is unfair. Okay, baby, you are the boss of me. Yes, you are, because you're so cute. It should be illegal. It should be illegal to be this cute. But don't let that stop you, because I am loving it. I am totally here for it. Oh, baby girl. Oh, baby girl, we're going to need 5 more of these. Don't eat my Jimmy Jimmies. Don't eat my Jimmy Jimmies. You stink. You need another bath already. How do you need another bath? It's only been 3 days, you feral little thing. Oh, yeah. We don't eat the humans, do we? Do we eat humans? What's the first lesson? Don't eat the humans. Don't eat the humans. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, can you see a doggy? Can you see the dog? Where's that doggy? It's flying.